How to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard auto capitalize on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And then swipe down at the top, and in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. Now in here, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then we scroll down and tap on more typing options. In here at the top, tap on auto capitalize. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.